Now here is a method for removing multi-valued attributes from the tables. It is saying that the second property of relation listed in the preceding section states that no multi-valued attributes are allowed in a relation. Thus, a table that contains one or more multi-valued attribute is not a relation. Okay, it has given referred the same example that I have explained you. In figure 4.2, it shows employee data from employee 1 relation extended to include course that may have taken by those employees. Because a given employee may have taken more than one course, the attributes course title and date completed are multi-valued attributes. These course title and date completed are multi-valued attributes. We show how to eliminate the multi-valued attributes in figure 4.2b by filling the relevant data values into previously vacant cells of figure 4.2a. As a result, the table in figure 4.2b has one single valued attribute and now satisfies the atomic property of relation. The name employee 2 is given to relation to distinguish it from employee 1. Okay, the last line is important. However, as you will see, this new relation does not have it does have some undesirable properties, because this method of solving this problem of multi-valued attribute is not the proper way of is not the proper solution. So later on we will see, when we will study normalization, that how we can fix it properly. But right now he has said that he has fixed this issue by simply duplicating the values in this these vacant cells. So actually he has created a new row, and in this new row he has duplicated employee ID, name, department name and salary, but against the course title service and date completed. Similarly, against employee ID 110 it has entered a new row against course title C++, and same is the case with employee ID 150. It has duplicated this employee ID, name, department name, salary and salary column values against course title Java and the respective completion date. So in this way, now each row in each row at the intersection of each column we have one single value. See, now in this row and in this column we have one single value, one single value here, survey, then one single value here.